Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to see how we can create a trail. Okay, so basically if you want to have some kind of a trail going on without the road, so it's very easy to do. We can go back into performance mode. We will activate the landscape just to see what we're doing. Create a T intersection, something very basic. Let's go like that. Let's subdivide this, bring it here, subdivide here, bring it here, and bring this closer so that we have our connection. And it's not connecting because we need to bring it a little bit closer on the XZ axis. Okay, so let's just go like this so that it looks quite okay. And then we are going to trace simply our path here. Okay. So in order to have a path in Roadscape, it's very simple. This is a very short video. We select the edge, so we want to be a path. We remove road in the vertex group, and we simply apply trail. Okay. So if we go out of performance mode, we can now see that we have some generation that takes place just like the road does, but we don't have a road that is placed on top of it. Okay, so as you can see, it affected the road around it. This is because of the intersection. We can always, if we don't want to have this huge gap, this huge difference in elevation here, we can simply, just make it less tight like this, and it will be more smooth the way it will transition. Okay, as you can see, it's less of a problem. So this is how you can create a trail in Roadscape, guys. There is one thing I want to mention. Originally, Roadscape V3 has been developed to contain random noise generation on trails. The thing is that actually I've been modifying Roadscape V3 recently to incorporate, fix some stuff, and it did break the random noise generation on the trails. So I'm sorry for it. I will release V3 without the random noise. But just know that in the next version, it will most likely be fixed. And this is something I'm going to focus on because this is a nice feature to have random noise generation on the trails to make it more realistic. So this is it for the trails, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.